Hello, good evening everyone. Today we are going to start inverse trigonometric functions or discuss the past year questions of inverse trigonometric functions. Let me start with this first question. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x by root of 1 plus x plus root 1 minus x. We are supposed to prove this as pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Let us try to work out. LHS. So, what is the right substitution? What will be the right substitution? Yes, for this particular problem. Whenever you see such questions, yes, we need to think about substituting in the place of x as sin theta, cos theta or tan theta. Sin theta, cos theta or tan theta. But sin theta and tan theta doesn't give any proper output. Obviously, we will go for the last option, which is nothing but cos theta, isn't it? Let us go with cos theta. Fine. If you put here x as cos theta, let us see what happens. Yes. Put x is equal to cos theta. So LHS will become tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos theta minus root 1 minus cos theta by root of 1 plus cos theta plus root 1 minus cos theta. Isn't it? Yes. Then what is 1 plus cos theta? We know that 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 and 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Isn't it? So substitute those two values there. So this will become root of 2 cos square theta by 2 minus root of 2 sin square theta by 2 by, again this is root of 2 cos square theta by 2 plus root of 2 sin square theta by 2. Here square and root will get cancelled and you will be left out with here root 2 cos theta by 2, root 2 sin theta by 2. In the denominator also root 2 cos theta by 2 and root 2 sin theta by 2, isn't it? Fine. So this is going to become, if you take directly root 2 common in the numerator, you will be left out with cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by root 2 into cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Root 2 will get cancelled. Now in order to figure out this one, what we are supposed to do, take cos theta by 2 common. If you take cos theta by 2 common here, it will become 1 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Likewise, take cos theta by 2 common in the denominator as well. So it will become 1 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. If you multiply with cos theta by 2 in this numerator or well as in the denominator, you are going to get the same thing, isn't it? Fine. Moving ahead, here cos theta by 2 will get cancelled. Now, yes, we are left out with tan inverse of 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2. This 1 can be further written as tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2 by denominator 1 minus 1 into tan theta by 2. So that 1 can be again written as tan pi by 4 into tan theta by 2. Isn't it? Yes, obviously. Now, this looks like tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, which is the formula of tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B. So, tan inverse tan, fine. Finally left with pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Give me a second here. Here the numerator is minus, denominator is plus, right? So minus and plus. So it will become minus plus tan of A minus B, so it is pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into theta is nothing but cos inverse of x, which is RHS. This is how we can solve this problem quite easily. Fine.